Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to merge duplicates. I'm going to show you two types of duplicates, but before we get into that, first I want to show you what brings up a duplicate warning. Now I have a patient called Maxwell Yang with a birth date. If I add an appointment and I have the same name, then you'll see it will come up in the search result here. Now, there are some cases where a patient has the same name and a different birth date, which is why we allow for this plus button here. So here you could add someone who has a different birth date and there's no warning. If you add someone with the same birth date and the same name, it will come up with this, are you sure you want to add this patient with the same name and birth date as an existing patient? That's when the duplicate warning comes up. If it's different, it won't come up. So that's an example. Say by accident, we have maybe two practitioners and they don't read this warning. They add two patients with the same name and the same date of birth. Let's say this practitioner adds an email and a phone number. Okay, so this kind of duplicate, if you head into menu and go to patients, you go to duplicates, you can see two duplicates here with the same name and the same date of birth. These ones are really easy to remedy. You just want to put all of the information from one patient to another, and then you want to delete the patient whose information you don't want to keep. So we already have the email, so we're just going to delete this one. And then voila, you only have one patient who has all the information. Now say I add an appointment and I'm typing out someone, I don't know what their birth date is. Maybe it's another practitioner who just doesn't see this. And we add a patient and we don't know what their date of birth is. Perhaps we go on and we type out an address. Oh, I don't know what the state is or the zip code. And then we add a chart to it. All right, so this is a Kimberly Baker. Now this is a different type of duplicate because now they're assigned charts. I'll show you. If I go to menu, click patients, click duplicates, you can see they've come up here. This one with the birth date has a sign chart. This one without a birth date has a sign chart. The way you want to go about this is you want to merge, but first you want to look at what's the information. So this one has a birth date, and this one has an address, and that's it. So you can pick whichever one, but I'm going to take off this birth date. And I'm going to put it in here to keep the address. I'm going to save this one without the birth date. And then I'm going to save this one with the birth date. And then you want to hit refresh. Okay, so then I've swapped them now. So you can see now this one has the birth date, the address, and this one doesn't have anything in there. So you want to just put all the information in one place. Once that's done, you want to click on the patient who has all of the information. So I'm going to click merge, and you can see at the top is the correct one that you want to keep. So this one has the birth date, this one doesn't. So I want to keep this one and I want to merge this one into the top one. So they both have one sign chart. So I'm going to click confirm. There's a warning. There's more instructions as well if you'd like. And then you want to click merge patient. Now you can see Kimberly. She's got her date of birth, she's got her address, and she's got 2 sign charts now. So if I go back to the home page, go back to Kimberly, the original, you can see I have chart 1, chart 2. So that's how you merge duplicates. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add users.